Good evening, guys. Today we are going to cover pair of linear equation in two variables, mathematics chapter 3. So firstly, let's know about meaning of pair of linear equation. So two linear equation in the same two variables means two linear equation in the same two variables, say x and y, are called the pair of linear equation or system of pair equations in two variables. Means linear equations which have two linear equations which have same variables, for example x and y. The general form of pair of linear equation in two variable x and y is x and y general form के हो भन्दा चाहिँ a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0, and second is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. This is the general form of linear pair of equations where a1, b1 and c1 and a2, b2 and c2 are the real numbers, and a1 square plus where a1 square plus b1 square is not equal with 0. Also a2 square plus b2 square is not equal with 0. Also solution of pair of linear equation means in two variables. How the solutions of linear equation, मतलब linear equation को solution चाहिँ कस्तो हुन्छ? Any pair of values of x and y which satisfy both the equation. कुनै पनि variables x and y जसले चाहिँ both the equation satisfy गर्छ. a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0 is called a solution of a given pair of linear equation. कुनै पनि x र y को भ्यालु जो चाहिँ यो दुईटा इक्वेसनलाई satisfy गर्छ त्यसलाई नै चाहिँ solution of a given pair of linear equation भनिन्छ. Solutions of pair of linear equation by graphical method means how to find the solutions of linear equations by graphical method. Let us consider a pair of linear equations in two variables a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. To find the solution graphically, there are three cases arisen. Means graphically solution खोज्नुको लागि चाहिँ तीनटा cases arise हुन्छ. Case 1, when the graph of system of linear equation will represent two intersecting lines. Means कुनै पनि ग्राफ जब हामीले प्लट गर्दा त्यसले चाहिँ दुईटा intersecting line means intersect गर्छ, two lines intersect गर्छ. Then the coordinates of point intersection say a comma b is the solution of the pair of linear equation. This is called consistent pair of linear equation. Means त्यो पोइन्टलाई a र b चाहिँ नाम दिन्छ, त्यही नै चाहिँ हाम्रो solutions of the pair of linear equation हो, जो चाहिँ intersects गर्छ. दुईटै point of intersection त्यसलाई नै consistent pair of linear equation भन्छ. अब केस 2 र केस 3 के छ भन्दा चाहिँ solutions of pair of linear equation by graphical method कै case 2 when the graph of system of linear equations will represent two parallel lines. मतलब कुनै पनि ग्राफलाई हामीले प्लट गर्दा त्यो चाहिँ two parallel lines मा प्लटिङ हुन्छ, then there is no point of intersection and consequently there is no pair of values of x and y which satisfy both equation. मतलब दुईटा इक्वेसन को जब हामीले ग्राफ प्लट गर्दा लाइन्स चाहिँ प्यारलल हुन्छ, त्यसको चाहिँ केही भ्यालु हुँदैन, कुनै पनि पोइन्ट अफ इन्टरसेक्सन छैन. सो देयर इज नो भ्यालु अफ x and y which the both equation satisfy. Thus given system of equation has no solution. means त्यो इक्वेसन को चाहिँ सल्युसन हुँदैन. means there is no value of x and y. This is called inconsistent pair of linear equations. means no solution लाई नै inconsistent pair of linear equation भन्छ. अब third case चाहिँ के छ भन्दा चाहिँ when the graph of system of linear equations will represent coincident or overlapping lines, there are infinitely many common points. means coincident कुनै पनि ग्राफ को जब हामी प्लट गर्छ दुईटा इक्वेसन को ग्राफ, जब त्यो चाहिँ लाइन माथि लाइन means coincident, सेम लाइन को माथि चाहिँ another लाइन छ भने चाहिँ त्यसलाई चाहिँ coincident भन्छ. अब त्यस्तो छ भने चाहिँ त्यसमा चाहिँ infinitely many points हुन्छ. Thus the given system of equation have infinite many solutions. means त्यो सिस्टम को चाहिँ सल्युसन चाहिँ बेसी हुन्छ, means x र y को भ्यालु चाहिँ डिफरेन्स हुन्छ, मतलब बेसी हुन्छ. Such pair of linear equation is called dependent pair of linear equation and it's always consistent. means the dependent pair of linear equation हो अनि त्यसलाई नै consistent भन्छ, यसलाई पनि consistent भन्छ. So these are the questions based on graphical method. Questions: 10 number of class 10 took part 10 students of class 10 took part in a mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz graphically. means 10 class 10 को स्टुडेन्ट चाहिँ 10 जना चाहिँ पार्टिसिपेट गरेँ म्याथ क्विजमा, जसमा चाहिँ गर्ल्सको चाहिँ 4 बेसी छ, बोइज भन्दा चाहिँ गर्ल्स चाहिँ 4 बेसी छ। सो लेट द नम्बर अफ बोइज बी x and the number of girls be y. So according to question x plus y is equals to 10. Number of girls and number of boys is equals to 10. Both are 10. And also x plus 4 is equals to y. किनकि 4टा चाहिँ गर्ल्स चाहिँ बेसी छ बोइज भन्दा। सो अब यसलाई हामीले सिम्प्लिफाई गऱ्यो भने y is equals to -4 सिम्प्लिफाई गर्ने। अब सिमिलरली फर्स्ट अब ग्राफमा प्लट गर्नु पर्यो पोइन्ट्स, यसको पनि सेम हो। ग्राफमा प्लट गर्नु पर्यो। अब x र y सिमिलर, यता पनि xy। अब यहाँ चाहिँ x को भ्यालु, x हामीले 0 हाल्दैन किनकि यो ग्राफमा बेसी ठुलो जान्छ भनेर चाहिँ अर्को भ्यालु हाल्छ। व्हेन x इज इक्वल्स टु 4, जब x को भ्यालु 4 हाल्यो भने यहाँ प्लस हुँदा पनि माइनस हुन्छ, 10 - 4 इज 6। सिमिलरली व्हेन y इज इक्वल्स टु 4, x को भ्यालु 6, किनकि हामीले चाहिँ ग्राफमा प्लट गर्नु चाहिँ सजिलो चाहियो। अब सिमिलरली यसको पनि हो, x - y इज इक्वल्स टु -4। व्हेन x इज इक्वल्स टु 0, x 0 भयो भने माइनस क्यान्सल भयो भने y इज इक्वल्स टु 4। सिमिलरली नै when y is equals to 5, y को भ्यालु 5 भयो भने यहाँ -5 चाहिँ उता गएर +5 हुन्छ। सो 5 - 4 1, सो 1। अब यही पोइन्ट्सहरूलाई चाहिँ हामीले चाहिँ ग्राफमा प्लट गर्नु पर्यो। अब फर्स्ट हाम्रो के छ भन्दा चाहिँ x 4 र 6, x को भ्यालु 4 यहाँ छ, 6 मिन्स यहाँ 4,6। यसको अर्को भ्यालु चाहिँ 6,4, x को भ्यालु 6, y को भ्यालु 4 मिन्स 6,4। अब यही पोइन्ट दुईटै पोइन्टलाई सरी जोइन गरिदिउँ। अब यो लाइनको नाम हो x + y = 10। सिमिलरली अब यो प्लट गरौँ। व्हेन x = 0, y = 4 मिन्स यहाँ छ 0,4। व्हेन x = 1, y = 5 मिन्स 1 यहाँ छ, 5 यहाँ हुन्छ। सो 1,5। यो दुईटालाई जोइन। अब x - y = -4। सो दुईटै ग्राफ हामीले प्लट गर्यो। इन्टरसेक्टिङ पोइन्ट 7 को आसपास छ, यता 3 मिन्स x = 3, y = 4. So the number of boys is equals to 3 and the number of girls is equals to 7. That is more than 4 from the boys. Nature and lines of consistency means consistency को nature चाहिँ कस्तो हुन्छ according to the graph or the values. The nature of lines and the consistency corresponding to linear equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0 is shown in the table given below. Consistency चाहिँ यो टेबलमा चाहिँ शो गरेको छ, यो सबै टेबलमा चाहिँ शो गरेको छ। So compare the ratio, first मा comparing the ratio, second मा graphical representation कस्तो हुन्छ, third मा algebraic interpretation कस्तो हुन्छ, अन्त लास्ट मा चाहिँ फोर्थ मा चाहिँ के छ भन्दा चाहिँ consistency चाहिँ कस्तो हुन्छ। Firstly यसको comparing the ratio, a1 by a2 is not equal with b1 by b2. When we compare the value of a1 by a2 with b1 by b2, अब यसको चाहिँ इक्वल आउँदैन भने चाहिँ ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेन्टेसन कस्तो हुन्छ भन्दा चाहिँ इन्टरसेक्टिङ हुन्छ। इन्टरसेक्टिङ लाइन्स मिन्स ग्राफमा चाहिँ दुईटा लाइन्स चाहिँ इन्टरसेक्ट गर्छ, दुईटा इक्वेसनको ग्राफ चाहिँ इन्टरसेक्ट गर्छ। अनि त्यसको एल्जेब्रिक इन्टरप्रिटेसन कस्तो हुन्छ भन्दा चाहिँ मिन्स एल्जेब्रिक इन्टरप्रिटेसन मिन्स कतिवटा भ्यालुज अफ एक्स एन्ड वाइ मिन्स एल्जेब्राको भ्यालु चाहिँ कतिवटा चाहिँ हुन्छ, मिन्स एक्ज्याक्टली वान सल्युसन, एउटा मात्रै सल्युसन हुन्छ। एक्स को भ्यालु र वाइ को भ्यालु चाहिँ एउटा मात्रै आउँछ, जस्तै x = 1, y = 3। युनिक मिन्स एउटा मात्रै युनिक सिंगल आउँछ। कन्सिस्टेन्सी के भन्दा चाहिँ सिस्टम इज कन्सिस्टेन्ट, सिस्टम चाहिँ कन्सिस्टेन्ट हो। अब यसको सेकेन्डमा के छ भन्दा चाहिँ a1/a2 इक्वल्स टु b1/b2 इक्वल्स टु c1/c2 when we compare the value of a1/a2 b1/b2 and c1/c2 both the value are equal with c1/c2 the graphical representation कस्तो हुन्छ भन्दा चाहिँ graphical representation चाहिँ कोइन्सिडेन्ट लाइन्स मिन्स एउटै लाइन माथि चाहिँ अर्को लाइन हुन्छ मतलब दुईटै ग्राफको लाइन छ नि हाम्रो ग्राफमा प्लट गरे भने चाहिँ एउटै लाइनको माथि चाहिँ अर्को लाइन हुन्छ अब एल्जेब्रिक इन्टरप्रिटेसन चाहिँ कस्तो छ भन्दा चाहिँ इन्फाइनाइटली म्यानिफोल्ड हुन्छ मिन्स यसको सल्युसन चाहिँ धेरै हुन्छ अन्त एउटै लाइनमा छ भने अब कुन चाहिँ x को भ्यालु जुन चाहिँ अब x को भ्यालु सपोज हामीले y लग्यो भने चाहिँ त्यो कोअर्डिनेट्समा जुन चाहिँ छ त्यही y को भ्यालु हुन्छ यसको चाहिँ भ्यालुस चाहिँ डिफरेन्ट हुन्छ मतलब बेसी हुन्छ अब कन्सिस्टेन्सी चाहिँ सिस्टम इज कन्सिस्टेन्ट यो सिस्टम पनि कन्सिस्टेन्ट हुन्छ अब थर्ड के छ भन्दा चाहिँ थर्ड केस चाहिँ a1/a2 इक्वल्स टु b1/b2 which is not equal with c1/c2 when we compare the value of both threes दुईटै क्वेसनको a1/a2 b1/b2 and c1/c2 दुईटै क्वेसनको कम्पेयर गरे भने a1/a2 र b1/b2 को भ्यालु इक्वल छ बट c1/c2 को भ्यालुसित इक्वल छैन भने चाहिँ ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेन्टेसन कस्तो हुन्छ भन्दा चाहिँ प्यारलल लाइन्स मिन्स दुईटा लाइन चाहिँ प्यारलल हुन्छ एकाअर्कासित चाहिँ दुईटा लाइन प्यारलल हुन्छ एल्जेब्रिक इन्टरप्रिटेसन चाहिँ के हुन्छ भन्दा चाहिँ नो सल्युसन मिन्स x र y को भ्यालु नै हुँदैन किन अगर अब दुईटा प्यारलल छ भने x र y को मा टच गरेको छैन न त इन्टरसेक्ट गरेको छैन न त केही छ भने x र y को भ्यालु नै हुँदैन एक्ज्याक्ट भ्यालु कन्सिस्टेन्सी चाहिँ के हुन्छ चाहिँ सिस्टम इज इनकन्सिस्टेन्ट मिन्स यसको भ्यालु चाहिँ हुँदैन On comparing the ratio a1/a2, b1/b2 and c1/c2, find out whether the line representing the following pair of linear equation intersect at a point are parallel or coincident. Means अब हामीले चाहिँ यसको रेशियो a1/a2 र b1/b2 र c1/c2 को रेशियो चाहिँ कम्पेयर गरेर चाहिँ हामीले यो फाइन्ड आउट गर्नु परेको वेदर दे आर intersect at a point or whether they are parallel कि त्यसको ग्राफमा प्यारलल बनिन्छ कि त्यो चाहिँ कोइन्सिडेन्ट मिन्स एउटै लाइनमा हुन्छ अब फर्स्टली अब यसको a1/a2 a1 के छ हाम्रो 5/a2 7 अब यो अब सिम्पलेस्ट भ्यालु आउँदैन मिन्स यसलाई यतिकै राख्दियौँ अब b1/b2 b1 कति छ हाम्रो -4 डिभाइडेड बाई b2 इज 6 यो काटिन्छ मिन्स -2 3 -2/3 सिन्स अब a1/a2 इज नट इक्वल विथ b1/b2 अब यो सिम्पली छ इन्टरसेक्ट एट अ पोइन्ट अब यसलाई हामीले c1/c2 नखोज्दा पनि हुन्छ किनकि हाम्रो c1/c2 के छ आउँछ भन्दा चाहिँ 8/9 -8/9 किनकि अब c1/c2 नखोज्दा पनि हुन्छ किनकि हाम्रो a1/a2 इज नट इक्वल विथ सिन्स a1/a2 इज नट इक्वल विथ b1/b2 so the linear equation intersect at a point मिन्स त्यो यसको अगर हामीले ग्राफ प्लटिङ गऱ्यो भने चाहिँ यसको ग्राफ चाहिँ इन्टरसेक्टिङ हुन्छ किनकि हाम्रो यही छ नेचर दिइरहेको छ नेचर अफ ग्राफको बेसिसमा चाहिँ हामीले चाहिँ कसरी त्यो लिनियर हो कि कोइन्सिडेन्ट हो कि प्यारलल हो त्यो हामीले चाल पाउनु या तरिका छैछ हो a1/a2 र b1/b2 र c1/c2 को रेशियो कम्पेयर गरेर क्वेसन नम्बर सेकेन्ड के छ भन्दा चाहिँ 9x + 3y + 12 = 0 18x + 6y + 24 = 0 अब यसको पनि हामीले रेशियो कम्पेयर गर्नु पर्यो a1/a2 के छ 9/18 9/18 when we simplify this we get 1/2 similarly b1/b2 is 3/6 when we simplify this we get 1/2 similarly c1/c2 when we 12/24 when we simplify this also we will again get 1/2 since a1/a2 is equal with b1/b2 is equal with c1/c2 since अब यो तीनटा इक्वल छ since 3 is equal so the linear equation are कोइन्सिडेन्ट। यो लिनियर इक्वेसन कोइन्सिडेन्ट हुन्छ कि एउटै लाइनमा चाहिँ सबै x र y को भ्यालु डिफरेन्स हुन्छ, एउटै लाइनमा चाहिँ एट्याच हुन्छ। सिमिलरली यसको क्वेसन नम्बर 3 6x minus 3y plus 10 is equals to 0, 2x minus y plus 9 is equals to 0। यसमा पनि सेम हो, we have to just compare the ratios। a1 by a2 is equals to a1 means 6 by 2, comma b1 by b2 we get 3। Similarly b1 by b2 is equals to minus 3 by minus 1, when we simplify this we also get 3। Again c1 by c2 is equals to 10 by 9, which is not, means since a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2, which is not equal with c1 by c2, since the value of c1 by c2 is not equal with a1 by a2 and b1 by b2, so the linear equation are parallel, means parallel huncha। When we plot the graph of this equation we get parallel lines on the graph। Methods of solving linear equations means algebraic method कुन छ भन्दा चाहिँ substitution method, elimination method or the cross multiplication method, but cross multiplication method is removed from the syllabus, so we only know about substitution method and elimination method। algebraic method चाहिँ के छ भन्दा चाहिँ linear equation को solve गर्दा भने फर्स्ट चाहिँ substitution method। In this method the value of one variable can be found out in terms of other variables from one of the given equation, and this value is substituted in another equation, then we get an equation in one variables which can be solved easily। means अब त्यसमा चाहिँ फर्स्ट को इक्वेसनलाई चाहिँ एउटा भेरिएबल्स को टर्म छ नि, एउटा भेरिएबल्स को टर्मलाई चाहिँ हामीले एउटा गिवन इक्वेसनबाट चाहिँ निकाल्नुपर्छ। मिन्स x को भ्यालु एउटा टर्मबाट निकाल्नु मिन्स x इक्वल्स टु y प्लस 4। अब त्यही भ्यालुलाई चाहिँ अब हामी चाहिँ अर्को इक्वेसनमा सब्स्टिट्युट गर्यो भने चाहिँ सिंगल भेरिएबल्स मिन्स y को भ्यालु पाउँछ कि x को भ्यालु पाउँछ। अब त्यो म x को भ्यालु पुट गरेको छु y को भ्यालु पाउँछ मिन्स हामीले सिंगल भेरिएबल्सको भ्यालु पायो। अब सिंगल भेरिएबल्सको भ्यालु पायो भने चाहिँ सल्भ गर्नु इजी छ, सो त्यसलाई नै भन्छ सब्स्टिट्युसन मेथड। मिन्स सब्स्टिट्युट गर्यो x को प्लेसमा चाहिँ अब फर्स्ट को इक्वेसनलाई चाहिँ सेकेन्ड को इक्वेसनलाई चाहिँ हामीले सब्स्टिट्युट गर्नु मिन्स त्यसलाई त्यहाँ चाहिँ हामीले x को भ्यालु निकाल्नु पर्छ। कुनै एउटा दुईटा इक्वेसनबाट चाहिँ एउटा इक्वेसन युज गरेर चाहिँ x मिन्स x प्लस y इक्वल्स टु 14 छ अरे, अन्त x माइनस y इक्वल्स टु 4। अब फर्स्ट को इक्वेसनलाई हामीले सब्स्टिट्युट सेकेन्ड को इक्वेसनमा गर्नु छ भने चाहिँ x इक्वल्स टु 14 माइनस y हुन्छ। अब त्यसलाई नै हामी सेकेन्ड को इक्वेसनको x मा सब्स्टिट्युट गर्यो भने चाहिँ हामीले चाहिँ y को भ्यालु पाउँछ। अब वन भेरिएबल्सको सल्भ गर्नु त सजिलो हो। सिमिलरली सेकेन्ड मेथड के हो भन्दा चाहिँ एल्जेब्रिक मेथड अफ सल्भिङ लिनियर इक्वेसनको सेकेन्ड मेथड चाहिँ एलिमिनेसन मेथड हो, मिन्स एलिमिनेट गर्नु। इन दिस मेथड one out of the two variables is eliminated by making the coefficient of that variable equal in both the equation। मिन्स कोएफिसिएन्ट दुईटै इक्वेसनको कोएफिसिएन्ट चाहिँ हामीले चाहिँ इक्वल बनाउनुपर्छ, कि चाहिँ त्यसलाई मल्टिप्लाई गर्नु पर्यो कि चाहिँ डिभाइड गरेर चाहिँ दुईटै इक्वेसनको चाहिँ भेरिएबल्सको कोएफिसिएन्ट चाहिँ एउटा भेरिएबल्सको कोएफिसिएन्ट चाहिँ इक्वल गर्नु पर्यो, कि चाहिँ हामीले त्यसलाई मल्टिप्लाई गर्नु पर्यो कि चाहिँ डिभाइड कि चाहिँ सब्ट्र्याक्ट कि एडिसन गरेर। आफ्टर एलिमिनेटिङ द भेरिएबल्स द लेफ्ट इक्वेसन इज एन इक्वेसन इन अनदर भेरिएबल्स विच क्यान बी सल्भ इजिली। अब त्यो आफ्टर एलिमिनेटिङ भेरिएबल्सलाई एलिमिनेट गरिसकेर होइन म एडिङ गरेर कि चाहिँ सब्ट्र्याक्ट गरेर चाहिँ एउटा इक्वेसन पाइहाल्छ। Value of one variable obtained in this way can be substituted in any one of the two equation to find the value of other equation। मिन्स हामी माथि एड चाहिँ सब्ट्र्याक्ट गरेर चाहिँ एउटा बिकज हामीले चाहिँ दुईटै इक्वेसनको कोएफिसिएन्ट इक्वल गरेको छ, सो अब सब्ट्र्याक्ट चाहिँ एड गरेर चाहिँ हामीले चाहिँ एउटा भेरिएबल्सको भ्यालु चाहिँ निक्लिन्छ। सो त्यो भेरिएबल्सको भ्यालु चाहिँ दुईटाबाट एउटा इक्वेसनमा हामीले पुट गर्यो भने चाहिँ सेकेन्डको भेरिएबल्सको भ्यालु पनि पाउँछ। सो दिस आर द टू methods of finding algebraic methods of linear equation। cross multiplication methods पनि छ, but that was removed from the syllabus, so we only do substitution method and elimination method। Question means on comparing the graph a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2 find out whether the following pair of linear equation are consistent or inconsistent। so Before doing this question, let us know about what is consistent. Consistent means unique solution or infinite many solution. Since we know the unique solution is a1 by a2 is not equal with b1 by b2, infinite many solution is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Or and inconsistent means no solutions, means a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 which is not equal with c1 by c2. So let us do one question. 3x plus 2y is equal to 5. 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. Before doing this question, first we have to simplify this like this. 3x plus 2y minus 5 is equals to 0. Again 2x minus 3y minus 7 is equals to 0. We have to do it like when we have to equate with 0. So a1 is 3 by a2 is 2, b1 is 2, b2 minus 3, c1 is minus 5 by minus 7, minus cancel. Since a1 by a2 is not equal with b1 by b2, since a1 by a2 is not equal with b1 by b2, therefore the linear equation is consistent. Consistent means the linear equation is consistent. Why? Because the graph is intersecting or unique solution. Since when we plot the graph, we only get the value of x and y, only single value of x and y, and the graph is intersecting. 2x minus 3y is equals to 8, 4x minus 6y is equals to 9. First we have to simplify this equation. 2x minus 3y minus 8 is equals to 0. 4x minus 6y minus 9 is equals to 0. So what is the value of a1 by a2? 2 by 4, which is equals to 1 by 2. Similarly, minus 3 by minus 6, minus cancel, 1 by 2, which is equals to 1 by 2. Similarly, c1 by c2 is minus 8 by minus 9. Since a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2, since a1 by a2 b1 by b2 की value same है, but c1 by c2 is not equal. c1 by c2 equal छैन, hence it is inconsistent. Hence the linear equation is inconsistent. Your linear equation is inconsistent means when we plot the graph, we want to get the value of x and y because the graph is parallel. Number 3, 5x minus 3y is equals to 11, minus 10x plus 6y is equals to minus 22. Firstly, we have to simplify. 5x minus 3y minus 11 is equals to 0, comma, minus 10x plus 6y plus 22 is equals to 0. So a1 by a2 is 5 by minus 10, which is equals to minus 1 by 2, or b1 by b2 minus 3 by 6, which is equals to minus 1 by 2. Similarly, minus 11 by 22 is equals to minus 1 by 2. Since the condition is a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equals to c1 by c2, this satisfies the condition of consistent, means infinitely many solutions. Therefore the linear equation is consistent. Linear equation is consistent. 4 by 3x plus 2y is equals to 8. 2x plus 3y is equals to 12. Since we have to simplify this value, so when we simplify this value, we get 4x plus 3 to the 6y is equals to 24. Since when we LCM this 3 to 3 to the 6, and these 3 goes here to 3, here is 24. Similarly 2x plus 3y minus 12 is equals to 0. Again we have to simplify this. 4x plus 6y minus 24 is equals to 0. So 4x, a1 by a2 is 4 by 2, which is equals to 2. b1 by b2 6 by 3, which is equals to 2. c1 by c2 is minus 24 divided by 12, minus 12. Since minus minus cancel, since we get also 2. Since a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equals to c1 by c2. Since यो इक्वेसनले चाहिँ कुन चाहिँ सेटिस्फाई गर्छ भन्दा चाहिँ a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equals to c1 by c2 चाहिँ सेटिस्फाई गर्छ. So the linear equation is consistent. Since while solving this type of question, we only have to know what is consistent and what is inconsistent. Consistent means unique solution, and infinitely many solutions. It may be unique solution or infinitely many solutions. Inconsistent means no solutions. Since we know the unique solution criteria, unique solution is a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 and b2. Similarly, infinitely many solution criteria is a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equals to c1 by c2. Also inconsistent means no solutions. Since we know the criteria of no solution, that is a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is not equal with c1 by c2. Half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more than its width 36 is 36 meter. Find the dimension of the garden. Means the perimeter, half the perimeter of rectangular garden is 36, and the whose length is 4 meter more than its breadth, whose length is 4 meter more than its width. Find the dimension of the garden. So we have to find the dimensions. Let the length of the rectangular garden be x and the width of the rectangular garden be y. So we have to justify the equations according to question. According to question means x plus y is equals to 36. Since length plus breadth is equals to perimeter. So x plus y, length plus width is equals to 36. Also second question के horizon हुन्छ भन्दा चाहिँ 4 meter more than its width. Length is 4 meter. So length is x. So x is equals to y plus 4 means 4 meter more than width y. So first we have to plot this in the graph. So we have to find the points when x is equals to 20. When x is equals to 20, since we have to put the value according to the graph or the situation, since we have to plot the value in the graph, so it is easy to take the simplest number. When we put this 0, it is 36. We have to make the graph bigger, but in exam we have to make the shortest graph. So हामीले चाहिँ सानो ग्राफ बनाउनु पर्छ हैन. त्यही कारण चाहिँ जुनै पनि भ्यालु हाल्दा हुन्छ. When x is equals to 20, 36 minus 20 is equals to 16. Similarly, when y is equals to 6, y is equal to 6 means y त minus 6 हो, उता गरे plus चाहिँ उता गरे minus हुन्छ. 36 minus 6 is 30. Similarly here, when x is equals to 0, x 0 भयो भने plus 4 यता आउँदा minus 4 means y is equals to minus 4. When y is equals to 0, x is equals to 4. First, let plot this in the graph. This in the graph. 20, x 20 means here. This y 16 means this. Just we have to plot this. 16 means 20 comma 16. Similarly, another point is 30 by 6. X is 30 means somewhere here 6. 30 comma 6. Just we have to join these lines. What is the name? X plus y is equals to 36. Similarly, we have to plot this graph. X is equals to y plus 44, y plus 4. When x is equals to 0, y is equals to minus 4. When x is equals to 0, y is equals to minus 4. This is 1 point. When x is equals to 0, comma minus 4. This is 1 point. When x is equals to 0, y is equals to 0, x is equal to 4 means this. Just join this line. When you join these lines means x is equals to 4, y is equals to 0. What's the name of this line? X is equals to y plus 4. So it meets as here, where x is equals to 20 and y is equals to 16. So the length of the rectangular garden is 20 meters and the width of the rectangular garden is 16 meters. That is, length is 4 more than width. Questions. Draw the graph of the equation x minus y plus 1 is equals to 0, 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equals to 0. Also, determine the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines and the x-axis and set the triangular regions. We have to find out the value of x and y through the graph. Also, we have to determine the coordinates of triangle. जुन चाहिँ ट्रायंगल फर्म हुन्छ x एक्सिस सित त्यो ट्रायंगलको चाहिँ हामीले vertices पनि डिटरमाइन गर्नु पर्यो. फर्स्टली हामीले इक्वेशन्सलाई सिम्प्लिफाई गर्नु पर्यो. x minus y plus 1 is equals to 0. Also अर्को इक्वेसन छ 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equals to 0. अब यसलाई के हुन्छ भन्दा चाहिँ x minus y is equals to minus 1, 3x plus 2y is equals to 12. फर्स्ट यसको हामी ग्राफ प्लटिङ गर्दा पोइन्ट्स खोज्यौं, जो चाहिँ हामीले आरामले आउँछ पोइन्ट खोज्नु सबैजनालाई आउँछ नि यहाँ. अब यो दिस x y x y x. When x is equals to 0, y is equals to, when minus minus cancel, y is equals to 1. Similarly, when x is equals to 5, when x is equals to 5, plus 5 उताको पनि minus 5, minus into minus 6, minus 6, minus minus cancel means y is equals to 6. Similarly, यसको coordinates भन्दा चाहिँ when x is equals to 0, x 0 भने 3 0 जा 0 plus 2 into sa उताको divide means 2 6 जा 12 means y is equals to 6. Similarly, when y is equals to 3, when y is equals to 3 means 2 3 जा 6 plus 6 उताको minus 6 means 12 minus 6 is 6. 3 यता into मा छ उताको divide हुन्छ means 6 divided by 3 is 2. Now we have to plot this into graph. Firstly, plot this. X equals 0, y equals to 1 means here 0, 1. When x equals to 5, y equals to 6. Means just we have to plot here. X is equals to 5, y is equals to 6. Just join these two lines. What is the name of this line? X minus y plus 1 is equals to 0. Similarly, second equation को graph draw गर्नुपर्छ. X is equals to 0, y is equals to 6 means x equals to 0, y is equals to 6. 0, 6. यसको अर्को पोइन्ट्स के छ भन्दा 2, x equals to 2 and y equals to 3. 2 and 3. 2 and 3. 2, 3. Just join these two lines. What is the name of this line? 3x plus 2y is equals to 12. Since this is the triangle we have shaded, the value of x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 3. This is the shaded triangle. This is the shaded triangle. What are the vertices? Therefore, the vertices of the shaded triangle are vertices 1 means minus 1, 0. Second vertices is 4, 0, and the third vertices of triangle is 2, 3. We just have to write down the vertices of these triangles. Substitution method चाहिँ कसरी सल्भ गर्नु लिनियर how to solve questions of linear equation by using substitution method. Two equations x plus y is equals to 1 by 14, x minus y is equals to 4. First we have to name this equation. Solution ma x plus y is equals to 14, equation number 1. X minus y is equals to 4, equation number 2. Substitutions from 1 मा चाहिँ सब्स्टिट्युसन गर्दा भयो, 2 मा सब्स्टिट्युसन गर्दा पनि भयो. फ्रम 1 हैन 2 गरौँ. 2 सजिलो छ कि स्मलेस्ट नम्बर छ. 2 के छ भन्दा चाहिँ x minus y is equals to 4 छ. x is equals to 4 plus y. यसलाई इक्वेसन नम्बर 3 दियो किनकि हामीले सब्स्टिट्युट गर्यो नि. by using substitution method. यो इक्वेसन 3 दियो. अब x equals to y plus 4 plus y. Put substituting the value of x is equals to y plus 4 in 1. अब हामीले 2 मा गर्नु भएन किनकि 2 बाट लगेको मिन्स 1 मा गर्नु पर्यो. 1 मा अब पुट गर्दा के हुन्छ भन्दा चाहिँ 4 plus y is equals plus y is equals to 14. y plus y 2y. 2y is equals to plus 4 उता जाँदा -4. 14 minus 4. 2y is equals to 10. y is equals to 5. अब again substitution. Substituting the value of y in 3 मा पुट गर्दा पनि भयो, 1 मा पुट गर्दा पनि भयो, 2 मा पुट गर्दा पनि भयो. हामी x को भ्यालु पाइहाल्छ. y is equals to 3 in 3 means x is equals to 4 plus y. x is equals to 4, y को value 5 means plus 5. So x is equals to 9. Therefore x is equals to 9 and y is equals to 5. So substitution method ले पनि हामी x र y को value चाल पायौ. So यसलाई नै substitution method गर्छ कि हामी substitute नै गर्छ. एउटा इक्वेसनबाट चाहिँ कुनै एउटा भेरिएबल्सको भ्यालु निकाल्यो. रफली भ्यालु मतलब x इक्वल्स टु y 4 प्लस y. अब यसमा हामी सपोज x को भ्यालु यहाँ पायो भने यो भ्यालु पनि हाल्दा बोथ साइड इक्वलै हुन्छ. x र y को भ्यालु इक्वलै पायो हामीले, इक्वलै पाउँछ हैन. अब यहाँ चाहिँ x इक्वल्स टु 9 छ, y इक्वल्स टु 5. अब फर्स्टली सब्स्टिट्युसन यहाँ भयो इक्वेसन 1 मा. किन अब यसलाई इक्वेसन नम्बर 2 मा सब्स्टिट्युसन गर्नु सकिन्थेन किन हामी इक्वेसन 2 बाट नै यो इक्वेसन 3 बनाएको नि. सो 2 बाट बनायो भने चाहिँ 1 मा हाल्नुपर्छ, 1 बाट बनायो भने चाहिँ 2 मा हाल्नुपर्छ. यसलाई नै सब्स्टिट्युसन मेथड भनिन्छ. अब नेक्स्ट एलिमिनेसन मेथड पनि छ, त्यो पनि गर्ने हो. रिड्युसिङ इक्वेसन्स मिन्स इक्वेसनलाई चाहिँ रिड्युस गरेर चाहिँ कसरी सल्भ गर्नु लिनियर इक्वेसन्स बनाउनु भनेर चाहिँ. समटाइम्स इक्वेसन आर नट लिनियर. इक्वेसन्सहरु चाहिँ लिनियर हुँदैन अरे. Equations are not linear, but they can be reduced to a pair of linear equation by making some suitable substitution. Means तिनीहरु चाहिँ इक्वेसन्सहरु चाहिँ लिनियर हुन सक्छ by substituting some suitable substitution गरे भने चाहिँ त्यो लिनियर इक्वेसन हुन्छ. फर एक्जाम्पल 1 मा के छ भन्दा चाहिँ if the given equation involves 1 by x and 1 by y. फर एक्जाम्पल 1 by x plus 1 by y is equals to 0 छ अरे. अब यसको जग्गामा चाहिँ 1 by x is equals to p and put 1 by x is equals to p and 1 by y is equals to q. That is p plus 2q is equals to 0. We have to put the value of 1 by x is equals to p and 1 by y is equals to q to convert into linear form. Linear form मा कन्भर्ट गर्नुको लागि चाहिँ हामी चाहिँ 1 by x को भ्यालु p हाल्नु पर्यो अनि त 1 by y को भ्यालु q हाल्नु पर्यो. किन अब इट्स नट नेसेसरी टु पुट p and q. We can also put alpha and beta, a b. It is in our own wish, but commonly used is P and Q. 1 by x is equals to P and 1 by y is equals to Q. Similarly, second case is if the given equation involves 1 by x plus a or x minus a and 1 by y plus b, y plus y minus b, then put 1 by x plus a is equals to p and 1 by y plus b is equals to q to convert into linear form. अब कुनै पनि इक्वेसन गिवन फर्म चाहिँ कस्तो छ भन्दा चाहिँ 1 by x plus a is the coefficient, means 1 by x plus 2 छ भने and 1 by y plus 3 छ भने चाहिँ के भन्छ भन्दा चाहिँ 1 by x plus a लाई चाहिँ p लेख्नु अरे and 1 by y plus b लाई चाहिँ q लेख्नु अरे to convert into linear form. So हामीले linear form मा convert गर्यो भने चाहिँ it is easy to solve. In the given equation, अब थर्ड चाहिँ केस के छ भन्दा थर्ड केस के छ भन्दा चाहिँ if the given equation involves 1 by x plus and 1 by x minus y, then put 1 by x plus y is equals to p and 1 by x minus y is equals to q. 1 by x minus y लाई चाहिँ q लेख्नु अरे and 1 by x plus y लाई चाहिँ p लेख्नु अरे. अब यो चाहिँ सब्स्टिट्युसन हो, सुटेबल सब्स्टिट्युसन टु मेक द इक्वेसन लिनियर इक्वेसन. अब सपोज हामीले 1 by x plus y मिन्स अब जब हामीले p को भ्यालु पायो भने p को भ्यालु 1 by x plus y is equals to p को भ्यालु सपोज 2 आएछ भने 2 गर्यो. सिमिलरली 1 by x minus y is equals to y q को भ्यालु 3 आएछ भने चाहिँ 3 लेख्यो. अब हामीले यसलाई नै इक्वेट गर्यो भने चाहिँ दुईटा इक्वेसन बनिन्छ अनि हामीले यसलाई नै सल्भ गरेर चाहिँ हाम्रो आन्सर पाइहाल्छ. Questions solved by using substitution method means we have to solve this linear equations by using substitution method. So firstly we have to name the equation s minus t is equals to 3. Equation number 1, s by 3 plus t by 2 is equals to 6. This is equation number 2. So from equation 1, s is equals to 3 plus t. We have to substitute s को भ्यालु हामी सब्स्टिट्युट गर्नुपर्छ. यसलाई इक्वेसन नम्बर 3. So substituting the value of s is equals to 3 plus t in 2, equation number 2. So when we substitute the value of s is equals to 3 plus t in equation number 2, we get 3 plus t divided by 3 plus t by 2 is equals to 6. LCM 2 and 3 LCM is 6. That is 2 into 3 plus t plus 3 into t means 3t is equals to 6. अब यो 6 उता लाँदा 36 हुन्छ. मिन्स 2 3 जा 6 प्लस 2 3 जा 6 प्लस 2 into t 2t plus 3t is equals to यता यो 6 डिभाइड गर्छ उता गरेर इन्टु हुन्छ. मिन्स 6 6 जा 36. So 2t plus 3t is 5t is equals to 36 minus 6. So t is equal to 36 minus 6 is 30 and this 5 is यता इन्टु छ भने यता गयो भने डिभाइड 5. So 5 1 5 5 6 30. So t is equals to 6. So we get the value of t. Just we have to substitute. So again we have to substitute. Substituting the value of t in equation 3. इक्वेसन 3 मा हाल्दैछ सब्स्टिट्युसन किनकि सजिलो छ. इक्वेसन 3 अब 1 मा हाल्दा हुन्छ 2 मा हाल्दा हुन्छ तर 3 मा हालेकै सजिलो. सो s is equals to 3 plus t. So s is equals to 3 plus t which is equals 3 plus 6 which is equals to 9. So therefore s is equals to 9 and t is equals to 6. Next question. Solve 2x plus 3y is equals to 11 and 2x minus 4y is equals to minus 24, and hence find the value of m for which y is equals to mx plus 3. We have to solve this two linear equation, and hence we have to find the value of m. Means we have to find the value of x as well as y, also the value of m. Firstly, by using substitution method, first we have to name the equation. 2x plus 3y is equals to 11 is equation number 1. 2x minus 4y is equals to minus 24, equation number 2. So from equation number 1, what we get? X is equals to 11, this is plus 3y means minus 3y, eta into so divide means 2. So substituting the value of x is equals to 11 minus 3y divided by 2 in equation number 2. So what we will get? 2 into 11 minus 3y divided by 2 minus 4y is equals to minus 24. Since 2 cancel, so what we get? 11 minus 7y is equals to minus 24. So minus 7y is equals to plus 11 so minus 11. So minus 11, 24 minus 11. So minus 7y is equals to minus into minus plus. So 24 plus 11 is 35, minus 35. So minus minus cancel, 7 उता divide हुन्छ, 35 divided by 7. So 7 1 7, 7 5 is 35. So y is equals to 5. Again substituting the value of y in equation number 3. So what is equation number 3? X is equals to 11 minus 3y divided by 2. We get 11 minus 3 5s are 3 into 5 divided by 2. So x is equals to 11 minus 3 5s are 15 divided by 2. So 15 minus 11 minus 4 divided by 2. So 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4. So x is equals to minus 2. Therefore y is equals to 5 and x is equals to minus 2. But here we also have to find the value of m. So what we will get? Since y is equals to mx plus 3, m is equals to y. Oh, sorry, we have to put just value. We have to just put the values. Means y is equals to 5 is equals to m, x को value minus 2 plus 3. तो plus 3 आता है minus 5 minus 3 is 2 is equals to m minus 2. So यता into मा छ उता गरेर divide हुन्छ. So m is equals to minus 1. So the value of m is minus 1. So also m is equals to minus 1. This is simple. Elimination method means how to solve linear equations by using elimination method. So we are doing these questions to know what is elimination method. So firstly name the equation x plus y is equals to 5, equation number 1. 2x minus 3y is equals to 4 is equals to equation number 2. So firstly हामीले के जानेको थियो भन्दा चाहिँ एलिमिनेसन मेथड को सल्भ गर्नको लागि चाहिँ कुनै पनि एउटा भेरिएबल्स को कोएफिसिएन्ट चाहिँ सेम गर्नुपर्छ हामीले. सो मल्टिप्लाई गरेर कि डिवाइड गरेर कि एड गरेर मल्टिप्लाइङ इक्वेसन नम्बर 1 by 2, multiplying equation number 1 by 2, we get, so 2 into x, 2x plus 2 into y, 2y is equals to 10. This is equation number 3. So subtracting equation 2 from equation 3, subtracting equation 2 from equation 3. So 2x plus 2y is equals to 10 minus 2x minus 3y is equals to 4. So we have to change this sign. Plus is minus, minus is plus, minus. This is cancel, and 2y plus 3y is equals to 5y is equals to 10 minus 4 is 6. So y is equals to 6 by 5. So putting or substituting the value of y in equation 1. What is equation 1? X plus y is equals to 5. So y is equal to 6 by 5. So x plus 6 by 5 is equals to 5. X is equals to 5 minus 6 by 5. So what we will get? X is equals to 25 minus 6 by 5. So x is equals to 25 minus 6 is 19 by 5. So we get the value of x is equal to 19 by 5. Y is equals to 6 by 5 and x is equals to 19 by 5. Solve by using elimination method. So what is the linear equations? X by 2 plus 2y by 3 is equals to minus 1. X minus y by 3 is equals to 3. So firstly we have to simplify the equation. Simplify the equation in the simplest form. So first equation is x by 2 plus 2y by 3 is equals to minus 1. So both LCM is 6. So x into 3x plus 2 into 2y is 4y is equals to minus 1. Or 3x plus 4y is equals to minus 6. This is equation number 1. Similarly, we have to simplify this. Y by 3 is equals to 3. When we take the LCM, we get 3. So 3x minus y is equals to 3. So finally we get 3x minus y is equals to 9. That is equation number 2. So since the coefficient of one variable is same, so we just have to subtract or add. Means we have to just subtract, because sign is not different. If sign is different, we can subtract. If sign is different, we can add. If sign is not different, we have to subtract. So subtracting equation 2 from 1. Subtracting equation 2 from 1. So 3x minus y is equals to 9 and 3x plus 4y is equals to minus 6. So we just have to change the sign, minus plus minus. This is cancel. The plus 4y plus 1y is equals to 5y is equals to minus and minus plus. So 9 plus 6 is minus 15. So y is equals to minus 3. So 5 3s are 15. So y is equals to minus 3. So when we get the value of y, so putting y is equals to minus 3 in 1. Y is equals to minus 3 in 1. What do we get? 3x plus 4 into 3 minus 3 is equals to minus 6. So 3x, 4 3s are minus 12 is equals to minus 6. 3x is equals to minus 12 plus 12. Plus 12 minus 6 is 6. So x is equals to 2. Therefore x is equals to 2 and y is equals to minus 3. So in the elimination method, we just have to look out the variables coefficient to solve it easily, and we have to simplify this type of variables. Next question, which is based on the graphical representation or comparing ratios. So what is the question is, for which value of a and b Does the following pair of linear equation have an infinite number of solutions? So for what value of a and b these following linear equation have infinite number of solutions? So what is the linear equation? 2x plus 3y is equal to 7 and a minus b x plus b plus a plus by is equal to 3a plus b minus 2. So we have to just know the criteria of infinite number of solution. So for infinite number of solutions a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equals to c1 by c2. So this is the criteria for infinite number of solutions. So what is a1 is 2 divided by a2 is a minus b is equals to b1 is 3 divided by b2 is a plus b is equals to c1 is 7 divided by c2 is 3a plus b minus 2. So this. So taking 1 and 2. Firstly we have to take 1 and 2, first and second. So what is first and second is 2 by a minus b is equals to 3 by a plus b. Cross multiply it. So 2 into a plus b is equals to 3 into a minus b. So 2 into a is 2a plus 2b is equals to 3a minus 3b. So when we simplify this, what we get is 2a minus 3a is equals to minus 3b minus 2b. So what we will get is minus a is equals to minus 5b. So minus 5b is come here for the equation. So minus a plus 5b is equals to 0. So this is equation number 1. Similarly, taking second and third. So firstly we have take 1, taking second and third. So firstly we have take 1 in first and second, and secondly we have take second and third. So what is second is 3 by a plus b is equals to 7 by 3a plus b minus 2. So we just have to multiply, cross multiply. So what we'll get is 3a plus b minus 2 is equals to 7 into a plus b. So what we'll get is 3 into 3 is 9a plus 3b minus 6 is equals to 7a plus 7b. When we simplify this, what we will get is this is plus 7, when it come is minus 7, so 9a minus 7 is 2a. So this is 7b, minus 7b. So minus 7b plus 3b is minus 4b minus 6 is equals to 0. This is equation number 2. So when we simplify both this equation, so 2 is common from both. This is not equation number 2. So 2 is common from 3. So what will we do? We will get 2 common. So a minus 2b minus 3 is equals to 0. So 2 यता into मा छ उता गएर डिवाइड हुन्छ मिन्स के हुन्छ a minus 2b minus 3 is equals to 0 is equation number about 2. So we have to just simplify this for making us easier to find the solution. So by using elimination method. So by elimination method, adding equation 1 and 2, since the variables have same coefficient and different different sign, so we have to add. Both the variables have same coefficient, that is 1. So adding equation 1 and 2, what is equation 1 is minus a is plus 5b is equals to 0, and what is equation number 2 is a minus 2b minus 3 is equals to 0. So what we will get it, minus a plus a cancel, so plus 2b plus 5b minus 2b is 3b minus 3 is 3b minus 3 is equals to 0. So 3b is equals to 3 and b is equals to 1. So substituting the value of b in equation number 1. What is equation number 1 is minus a plus 5b is equals to 0. So minus a plus 5 into 1 is 5 is equals to 0. So minus a is equals to minus 5, minus minus cancel, what we will get is a is equals to 5. Therefore the value of a is equals to 5 and b is equals to 1. So this is the simplest way to find the value of a and b, where the graphical representation or the comparing ratios is given, for example infinite number of solutions, etc. Questions which is also based on graphical representation or system of consistency or comparing the ratios of the two linear equations. So what is the question is, for what value of k will the following pair of linear equation have no solution? So for what value of k the following pair of linear equation has no solution, means when we put the value of k in these equations, we must get no solutions. Means what is the criteria of no solution is a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is not equal with c1 by c2. So what are the two linear equations are 3x plus y is equals to 1, 2k minus 1 x plus k minus 1 y is equals to 2k plus 1. So for no solution, what is the criteria is a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is not equal with c1 by c2. So what is a1 by a2 is a1 is 3, a2 is 2k minus 1 is equals to b1 is 1 and b2 is k minus 1 and c1 is 1 and c2 is 2k plus 1. So same technique, that is taking first and second. Why we should not take first and third? Because it is not equal and we should not simplify it. So taking first and second is, first is 3 by 2k minus 1 is equals to 1 by k minus 1. So when you cross multiply it, what will you get is 3k minus 1, 3 into k minus 1 is equals to 1 into 2k minus 1. So what will you get is 3k minus 3 is equals to 2k minus 1. So 3k minus 3 minus 2k plus 1 is equals to 0. So 3k minus 2k is k, minus into plus is minus. So 3 plus 3 minus 1 is minus 2, which is equal to 0. So k is equals to 2. So the value of k is 2. So when we put the value of k in this equation, we get no solution, that is a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is not equal with c1 by c2. So to check the criteria, you can check the criteria by putting the value of k in this equation. So next topic is reducing equation. So what is reducing equation is that when the variable is in the denominator, we have to know that we have to reduce the equation, or we have to just change the value of variables to another quantity or another variables. So how to solve the linear equation by reducing equation? Your all doubts will be clear in these questions. So let's do how to reduce equation. So firstly is what are our linear equations are 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y is equals to 2 and 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y is equals to 13 by 6. So let us assume, so we have to assume that 1 by x is equals to p and 1 by y is equals to q. So when we put this, it is easy to solve this question. So what will we get is p by 2 plus q by 3 is equals to 2. So when we simplify this, denominator is 6. So 3p plus 2q is equals to 2. So when we simplify this, what we will get is 3p plus 2q is equals to 6 to the 12, which is equation number 1. Similarly, we have to just replace the value of 1 by x is equals to p. So when we what we will get is p by 3 plus q by 2 is equals to 13 by 6. When we take the LCM, that is 6, what we will get is 2p plus 3q is equals to 13 by 6. Also we get 2p plus 3q is equals to 13, which is equation number 2. So this 6 and 6 cancel. So let us use any method, that is substitution method or elimination method. So we use elimination method, that is elimination method. So multiplying equation. Why we are multiplying the equations? Because the coefficient of any one of the variables is not same. So for using elimination method, we must have the coefficient of any one of the variables same. So multiplying equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 3. So what will we get is we get equation 1 means 2 3 is 6p plus 4q is equals to 24. This is equation number 3. Again, what will you get is equation number 2 by multiplying with 3 is 3 to the 6p plus 3 is 9q is equals to 3 13 the 39. 9q is equals to what will be? This is equation number 39. Equation number 4. So subtracting equation 4 from 3. Equation 4 from 3. So what is equation 4? Equation 3 is 6p plus 4q is equals to 24 minus 6p plus 9q is equals to 39. So what we have to do? Minus means sign change. Minus means minus, plus is minus, minus. So this is cancel. So plus 4q minus 9q is equals to minus 5q is equals to plus into minus minus. So 39 minus 24 is minus 15. So minus minus cancel. 5 1 is 5, 5 3 is 15. So q is equals to 3. So putting q is equals to 3 in equation 3 in 3. So what will we get is 6p plus 4 into 3 is equals to 24. So 6p is equals to 24 minus 4 3 is 12. Since plus 12 put minus 12 हुन्छ. So 6p is equals to 12. So p is equals to 2. We get the value of q as well as p. So what we have to do is, since 1 by x is equals to p and 1 by y is equals to q. So 1 by x is equals to 2 and 1 by y is equals to q का value 3. So when you cross multiply, what we'll get is 2x is equals to 1 and 3y is equals to 1. So what we'll get is 4 into 3 is equals to 24. So 6p is equals to 24 minus 4 3 is 12. Since plus 12 put minus 12. So 6p is equals to 12. So p is equals to 2. We get the value of q as well as p. So what we have to do is, since 1 by x is equals to p and 1 by y is equals to q, so 1 by x is 1 by x is equals to 2 and 1 by y is equals to q value 3. So when you cross multiply, what we'll get is 2x is equals to 1 and 3y is equals to 1. So what we'll get is x is equals to 1 by 2 and y is equals to 1 by 3. So this is the way how we reduce the equations by putting some substituents, which is solve the pair of equation by reducing them to a pair of linear equation. So we have to reduce these equations into linear equation. So what are the equations is 1 by 3x plus y plus 1 by 3x minus y is equals to 3 by 4. 1 by 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 by 2 into 3x minus y is equals to minus 1 by 8. So we have to just reduce and to linear equation and then we have to solve. So solution, let us assume, what you have to do, let us assume that 1 by 3x plus y is equals to p and 1 by 3x minus y is equals to q. So when you put this value in this equation, what we will get is equals to p plus q is equals to 3 by 4. When you simply simplify this, we will get 4p plus 4q is equals to 3, which is equation number 1. So in second equation we will put, what we will get is p by 2 plus a minus q by 2 is equals to minus 1 by 8. When we simplify this, what we will get is 4p minus 4q is equals to minus 1, which is equation number 2. So we will get two equations from this by reducing them into linear equations. So we can use any method, elimination method or substitution method. So we use elimination method. Why? Because both the variables have the same coefficient, but there is a sign is different in two variables, so we have to adding 1 and equation 2. So 4p plus 4q is equals to 3. 4p minus 4q is equals to minus 1. So when we add, this will be cancel. 4p plus 4p is 8p is equals to 2. So p is equals to 2 by 8 is 1 by 4. P is equals to 1 by 4. So putting p is equals to 1 by 4 in equation number 1. So what will we get is 4. What is the value of p is 1 by 4 plus 4q is equals to 3. So 4 cancel. So what will we get is 1. So 4q is equals to 3 minus 1. So plus 1 minus 1. So 4q is equals to 2. So q is equals to 1 by 2. Since we get the value of p as well as value of q, so we just have to put this value into this. Since 1 by 3x plus y is equals to p and 1 by 3x minus y is equal to q. So just equate this put this value of q. 1 by 3x plus y is equals to, what the value of p is? 1 by 4, and 1 by 3x minus y is equals to, what the value of q is? 1 by 2. So when we cross multiply this, what we'll get is 3x plus y is equals to 4, and 3x minus y is equals to 2. Let it be equation number 3, and it will be equation number 4. Just we have to simplify this. So adding 3 and 4. So adding 3 and 4, what will we get is 3x plus y is equals to 4, 3x minus y is equals to 2. So what will we get is, y will cancel, 3x plus 3x is 6x is equals to 6. So x is equals to 1. So putting or substituting x is equals to 1 in equation number 4, what we will get is 3 x equal 1 minus 1 is equals to 2. So 3 into 1 is 3, minus y is equals to 2. So minus y is equals to 2 minus 3. So what we will get is minus y is equals to minus 1. So when we minus minus cancel, so y is equals to 1. So in this question we use elimination method twice, once here and again once here. Why? Because when we simplify this, we get another equations, so we also have to simplify that equations to get the values.